Hi, my name is Maren Faiella. I'm with Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm your real estate closer. Growing up in a real estate family with a real estate developer as a father gave me great insight into the asset class, market timing, and really made real estate part of who I am. My passion is to help people to realize their dreams in real estate in this incredibly dynamic city of New York. And I'm proud to have accomplished over 60 million in sales results, as well as having achieved being the top 5 salesperson at Brown Harris Stevens annually in the past. In my professional experience, I also had the good fortune to be on Wall Street for over 10 years on a trading floor, which really gave great insight into valuation and pricing comparables. It also gave me access to institutional clients in global markets, which led me to really understand that the client comes first. I was also fortunate to have graduated from the University of Pennsylvania Wharton Business School with a degree in real estate, and it was my MBA. I'm grateful to have come to Brown Harris Stevens. The melding of my background and who I am with what they stand for truly come together in a perfect picture. I tend to prefer to think of ethics and integrity as key and vital in any transaction, as well as being able to put the client first. With a history of over 20 years in real estate and finance, I can tell you, nothing sells better than experience.